Hey YouTube family, it's your girl CC, Like CC, coming at you again with another video. I'm out here trying to do a little fishing on today. Thank you for all who subscribed, like, and is following. Shalom, blessings to you all. Again, thank you all who subscribed. I'm doing a little fishing. Another video coming at you. Let's see what I can catch on today. Those who like fishing, follow me. I love to fish. This your girl, Sixy. Look like I'm trying to get a little bite here. The wind up a little bit. I'm fishing with regular bait for now. Again, follow me and see what I be catching. Oh, I got something here. Oh,